there guys, it's Kim George here from YourChicGeek.com, and I want to welcome you to another video tutorial where I'm going to be talking about how to create multiple revenue streams from just one product that you have or may have in your arsenal. So for those of you who are not subscribed to the channel, I'd love for you to go ahead and subscribe, like, share, all of that good stuff, as I hope that this video is going to be useful in getting you kind of thinking about some different ways that you can actually create additional revenue streams for your business and to add to your passive income that you're already creating. Okay, so what I'm going to do in this specific example, guys, is I'm going to use this journal as an example of a product that you can take and create multiple revenue streams based on just this one journal or this one product. Now, this can work for any kind of, passive income product or products that you sell, but I just want to give you guys some ideas of what you can do. Okay, so coming in at revenue stream number one is going to be coaching. So you will be surprised at how many people have, for example, reached out to me, and I'm very surprised by this, from a video that they've seen that I've done, or just going to my PayHip shop, or et cetera, asking, hey Kim, I want to get started with creating passive income, but I don't know what to do. I'm not sure how to get started. I just don't know what I don't know. Well, this is an excellent opportunity for you to add another revenue stream to your brand and to your business by coaching them through the process. So using this journal as an example, for example, if someone came to me, and I have had folks come to me saying, hey, I'd love to create a journal similar to the ones that you've created. How can I go about doing this? Well, through a coaching service, this will allow me to get a more intimate kind of one-on-one connection with my customers to show them, step by step, how to do this. Okay, so coming in at revenue stream number two is going to be selling the interiors of this journal separately on a separate site. Now, this is something that you guys probably know that I already do, but it's just something that I wanted to bring to your attention. And I do this over on my PayHip shop. So for a lot of the journals that I've created, I realized that, maybe someone else could benefit from these journal interiors that maybe are not good with interior design or creating interiors and designing things from scratch. So to give them a jump start, I'm just going to take something that I've already created and add it to another place where people can get access to these different interiors. And that's exactly what I did over in my PayHip shop. So that is the additional revenue stream number two. Okay, so coming in at revenue stream number three, you could actually do something like start an Etsy shop. Now, I know you guys are pretty familiar with Etsy and the platform. It's a platform where a lot of folks have a lot of handmade goods and things like that. But if you're not sure or if you're not aware, there are people that are looking for all kinds of different products and things like that, and templates specifically over in Etsy. So if you were to go over to Etsy and type in KDP Interiors, you'd be surprised at how many folks are over in Etsy looking for KDP Interiors. And this can work for any product. So maybe if you have a notebook that you're selling, or if you have notebook covers, and et cetera, you can actually add your products over to Etsy, start your Etsy shop, and start selling those products or selling those interiors and things like that separately in your Etsy shop. Another place where you can actually go and start selling interiors separately, for those of you who are not familiar, is Creative Fabrica. So Creative Fabrica is an excellent place where you can actually go set up a shop and start selling different interiors, graphics, all kinds of things separately, where you can earn additional revenue from a product that you've already created. So I just wanted to give you guys that tidbit of information. Okay, so coming in at number four is going to be adding the designs that you've already added, maybe to your journals and other products, to POD shop. Okay, so POD is just print on demand. Now, I want to stop and give a shout out, a major shout out and kudos to my girl Lisa Irby. She is over at Passive Shirt Profits. For those of you who want to learn more about selling t-shirts, print on demand and things like that, and running print on demand shops, I would highly recommend going to check out her videos. She is just awesome, and I appreciate her so much for just shouting me out when it comes to Amazon KDP. But Lisa is a fantastic person to study and to watch videos from, because she has a lot of experience in print on demand. But again, going back to turning one product into multiple revenue streams, you can definitely go and take a design that you've added to maybe a journal, a notebook, and so forth, and you can add it to some kind of product over on Redbubble. So you can see here on Redbubble, they have all kinds of different things. They have clothes, they have stickers, they have iPhone cases. I mean, they have all kinds of different stuff or different products. So you can actually take a design and add it to create another revenue stream that you can earn income from. So that is going to be tip number 4. And then another place that I'm actually looking into that I haven't set up or gotten set up in yet, but I'm actually interested in it, is going to be Sellfy.com. Now, I actually listed Sellfy in one of the videos that I've done previously, and I thought that, wow, this looks like a really good platform to use for selling print on demand products as well. So I'm definitely gonna take a deeper look into Sellfy, but that is another platform that you can use to sell print on demand products. And what this simply means is that when you add a design to a product, you get a commission off of the sale that you make from a product that you add. So basically, you're not gonna have to worry about doing any kind of shipping. You're not gonna have to worry about handling any kind of inventory and all that kinds of stuff. The actual platform is gonna do a lot of that for you. You just get a cut of the commission or off the commission from the products that you sell. So it's kind of like KDP, but just for products, okay? So just wanted to put that out there. Okay, and last but not least is you can actually take the knowledge that you've learned through a process of creating a product and turn that into a course. Yes, that is correct. So one of the course platforms that's really popular that I'm currently using, and I'm actually going to be using some different ones and testing some different ones out, but I'm using Teachable at the moment to host my online courses. So for example, going back to the journal that I mentioned, right, as an example for this video, I could easily create a mini course or create a workshop that teaches other people how to create a journal business and sell that as a product over on Teachable. So again, it's just another way that I can take a product that I've already created and create another revenue stream from that product using a course. So that's another way. But guys, this pretty much wraps up the video. I know this is kind of one of the shortest videos that I've done, but I'd love to know what you think about these different models and different kind of revenue streams that I've mentioned in this video tutorial, or what other revenue streams have you guys created? I'd love to know in the comments from products that you've already created, you know, that are passive income products. What other revenue streams have you guys created from those products? I'd love to know. So please be sure to like, share, again, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think about the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and be on the lookout for more tutorials and how-to guides and things that are coming your way, okay? So take care, guys. I will see you around. Stay safe out there. Bye.